Okay, so today what we're going to do is we are going to go over the power chords on the A string. We already went over the power chords on the E string, and I'll do a quick review. But now we're going to take that and we're going to move it on to the A string. So, yep, I'm going to bring it down and then we will see you there. Okay, so we'll just do a quick review of the power chords on the E string. So we got our open E string. I'm going to play our open E5 power chord to start it all off. Then we want to find our F on the E string. Make a power chord going over 2, down to the next string. Go to a G, make a power chord. A, power chord. B, C, D, E, and F. And also be able to go back down. But what we're going to do today is we're going to focus on our A string. And guess what? It works in the same way. We're going to start, here's our open A. We're going to play an open A5 power chord. And again, when we use our measuring fret, here's an A. We got to go up a whole step to B. Over 1, 2, and then down to the next string. Here's our B. Next is C. Just remember we had a half step. Big cats. Here's D, E, half step to F, G, and A. Simple as that. And then again, you gotta go backwards. A, then our G, F, E, D, C, B, and A. And that's what you want to be able to do. About like that would be good. Don't just try to memorize the patterns, which in a way it is kind of good. Something we'll be working on a little bit later when we like go into different keys. But I want you to really get to know the notes. So make sure you're always saying the note or chord names. With this, you can say A5, B5, or like C5 power chord, D5 power chord, or you can just simply go E, F, G, A. Whatever you want to do. But again, with these, go up and back down. What you're going to want to do is go through both. Go your E all the way up to your F, back down, and your A. Be able to go A, B, C, D all the way up to the 12th fret where you got your A, and then back down. And again, on each individual string, just grab them and just start jamming. And again, you can watch the jam videos so you can kind of get an idea of what you can do. So yeah, check those out. And as usual, any questions, let me know. Otherwise, again, we'll see you in the next one. All right, have a good one.